Rochelle Richards with the Las Vegas Review-Journal. Here's your news update for your Friday morning. A municipal court judge has fired her re-election campaign manager, taken down a Facebook post featuring The Rock, and apologized for a highly criticized mailer just days before the Las Vegas city election. Judge Heidi Almace's flyer contained an image of a man's hand over the mouth of a child and questioned how Kara Campbell can be an impartial judge when she's married to, quote, an attorney who keeps criminals on the streets. Jennifer Barrier was the second manager she's had this election season. An online fundraiser for the Metro officer facing criminal charges for the death of Tashii Brown has raised more than $30,000 since going live on Tuesday. The Las Vegas Police Protective Association created the GoFundMe account after Officer Kenneth Lopera was placed on unpaid leave. Lopera is facing charges after Brown died in custody after being stunned with a taser 7 times and placed in an unauthorized chokehold for more than a minute. Vegas Vic is temporarily losing his longtime companion, Vegas Vickie. Fremont Street's neon cowgirl is scheduled for removal on Monday from her perch at Glitter Gulch. Vickie is being taken down as part of construction on a new hotel casino on the site of Las Vegas Club. Vickie will be back on Fremont Street, but the location is still undetermined. For all your Las Vegas news and much more, visit ReviewJournal.com.